Well, today's the 18th, and my long-haired tortie from Olivier gave me 5 beautiful babies today. And we've got a mixture of boys and girls. First, I'll start with the first one. Is a beautiful blue and white harlequin. And has a very cute face. And a great singing voice, and it's a male. He might be a long hair. He feels like he might be a long hair. He's very cute, eating well. And then we have the second boy, blue and white bicolor. He's also very cute. He feels like he's going to be a short hair. You're very cute. They want their mother, but their mother is so intense. My God, she won't even let me touch her babies without trying to bite me. So I've got her in a carrier for a minute, and she's in there growling. Some mothers are great about you handling their babies, and some aren't too happy about it. So this third kitten is a red and white girl. She's a very pretty face. And really pretty markings. And she also is eating well. The fourth one is a red and white harlequin boy. Also with a really splashy pattern. Nice markings separated by white, really dramatic. And also a great singing voice. That's a red tabby and white. He has some tabby markings, so boy. And then the last one is looks like, might be a cameo in white. Anyhow, she's is a red tabby in white too. She's a little paler than the others, so I thought she might be a cameo. I can't really tell at this age, but it's a girl. Red tabby and white girl. Also very pretty face. And there she is. So I've got, let's see, keep this straight here. I'll line them all up. Yes, I'm going to get your mother back to you in a second. Okay, the first one is let's check again. It's a girl. First one is a red tabby and white, or red and white harlequin girl. The second one is a red tabby and white harlequin girl. The third one is a red and white boy. And the fourth one is a blue and white bicolor boy. And the fifth one is a blue and white harlequin boy. So this is the litter. She did everything all by herself. I woke up to find everybody eating, nursing, and totally okay. So she's turned out to be a good mom after all. She just was a little late. She didn't deliver till like day 69. So these are the kids. They're all eating well and looking really healthy and hearty, and I'll let mom back out so she can be with her babies. And there they are. Cute litter. Colorful litter.